I thought I'd start just with a quick funny story from Google, because one of the things that got my co-founder and I interested in doing smart video search was that you could do a search of the entire World Wide Web in less than 50 milliseconds, but you couldn't find like when your babysitter left from a home video that you owned personally. And so we had seen this pattern that was among everybody that was using the initial launch of Street View that was also a big motivator for us. We'd sit people down into a usability study with Street View, and unequivocally, every single person would go to their house first. That was the first task that they did when you put them in front of Street View. But the funny thing was there was always one person in every usability group that would say to us, wait a minute, why isn't my car parked at home? I left it there this morning. And they thought that it was magically real time. And when you step back and think of from a consumer perspective, it's somewhat reasonable to accelerate your expectations that you should be able to search and see anything in the world in real time, because the pace of accessibility to video is increasing such that it becomes kind of an expectation. And so this whole architectural discussion around blending cloud versus edge machine learning is really just a 5-year history of the trials and tribulations we've had in delivering real-time video search. So that now with Camio, you can take your phone and say, show me all people in red approaching the east mailbox, and get an answer in less than a second. And that hadn't been possible before, so I thought I'd just walk through some of the problems in balancing cloud versus edge, and some of the strategies that we've used that have worked well to get that sub-second responsiveness. So by the end of the talk, hopefully you've got kind of an overview of how to think about edge versus cloud. But these are just some examples of what you do with Camio. You can say, I'm just looking for a gray minivan in front of my house, or show me people approaching the driveway, or show me only when tuna were hauled on board a boat. And these kind of sub-second response queries are kind of the first time you've been able to do this, especially with real-time video. And we're going to walk through how to enable each of these scenarios.